needs to happen, that needs to continue happening, because that's what will provide investors with visibility on their activities in every country.
John, another U.S. perspective, what are the Latin American capital markets looking like in 2025? What are the opportunities, and what are the challenges with these headwinds that we were talking about?
Well, first, good morning. It's so wonderful to be back in Buenos Aires and to see some of my friends, one Frank Holder on the front row. I'm a deal guy. I've been doing deals as a lawyer for 25 years. I'm also a political strategist. I work with the Trump family every single day, and I've done that for many years. Tariffs are real. They have a purpose. We have, a new paradigm with President Trump. Americans have a new paradigm with President Trump. So, part of that spills over into the financial markets. There's going to be winners and losers. You have to decide whether or not you want to partner with the United States. That's a choice. It's not an obligation. If you do, you've got to figure out what you bring to the table to that negotiation. One thing, and then you have to take a position on whether a strong America is good for the region. If it's good for the region, it's good for the economies of the region. And so the capital markets, I think, we're in a fluid time. People are trying to deal with the new reality that we have a strong America. I'm a proud American. We had a very weak America for a period of time. We have a mandate with President Trump. And I really believe that over the next year, things are going to be fine. I think that there will be use of tariffs. I think a lot of it will be reciprocal. It's the beginning of a conversation. I think that stability in the region, stability in the capital markets, these ebbs and flows will work themselves out, and I believe that a country like Argentina is about to enter its golden era. I mean, I'm so glad to be here. I've met your president 2 or 3 different times in Washington, D.C. I live in Washington, D.C., in a place you might have heard of called Texas. And we think we have a lot of commonality with our friends in Argentina. We like great wine. We like great steaks. And, we like to tango too. So